Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Aryan and you're watching Techie in the Making. Today I have this Amazon Fire TV stick 2nd generation which I got from Amazon Prime Day sale. Let's open it. As we open the package, we can see there's a box which is wrapped with plastic. Let's go ahead and remove the tape and get the box out. This is how the box looks like. The price given on the box is 3,999 rupees, but as we bought it from the Amazon Prime Day sale, we got it for 2,400 rupees. Let's go ahead and open the box now. Let's pull the seal. This moment is actually very satisfying. Here we go. Now let's open the box and reveal the things inside of it. Okay, that felt really good. Now let's open the box. The packaging looks really good. Over here we have an instruction manual. And we have another paperwork. Here is the cable which will give power to the Fire TV stick, and here we have an HDMI connector. This is the adapter. And we even get 2 batteries with it to power the remote. And here we have the very good looking remote. Let's open the seal. Let's remove the plastic. And here we have another plastic which is wrapped on the remote. Let's remove that as well. Oh, that was so smooth. Let's put the batteries. There we go. Let's put the lid back on. Lastly, we have our Amazon Fire TV stick dongle, which is the main component in this. Let's get it out. This is how it looks like. It has a matte finish on it. Now I'm on my TV. Let's go and click Fire TV stick. Now let me go ahead and do the setup, and I'll be back. I'm done with the setup, and now let's go ahead and start YouTube. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Peace out.